Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This week we have a really cool product from our friends over at Tes Studio. It is an updated version of their dashboard screen. This is going to be the F96 model. Supposed to have some new features, supposed to be quicker with downloads and all the stats. So in the box we're going to have your numerous cables here. This connects this straight to the car to the OBD2 port. 2 more cables, and it also came with an extra wire if you have the AMD Ryzen or the pre-AMD Ryzen version, so you're able to connect as well. A little trim piece removal tool as usual. This little plastic piece goes on your dashboard. I will say I wish they had like a metal one because this gets flimsy at times. So then the screen itself. So let's go get to the car and get ready to install this bad boy. This install is going to be fairly easy. First, you're going to remove a couple trim pieces, the triangle piece on the side of your dashboard and the little rectangle piece on your passenger side. From there, you're going to want to take off the big L-shaped trim piece on your passenger side as well. Remove the dashboard, it just pops right out. Set that aside for now. Then you're going to want to plug in the connectors, the white to the white and the blue to the blue on the side as shown. Now onto the dashboard, you're going to want to count from spaces 37 to 41. The wire is going to run through spaces 39, and the clip for the mount of the screen is going to run into 37, 38, and 40 and 41. Once that is finished, route your wire down to the passenger side. It just lays flat where the AC is and plug in into the connector module. Attach your screen onto your mount and then watch the magic happen. There you have it, fully installed LCD screen F96 from our friends over at Tes Studio. This screen has a ton of features, 5 user interfaces that show tire pressure, speed, battery range, temperature, mileage, the car you have. It's going to show your Model 3, Model Y, and all the colors. It's also got an Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, over-the-air update, so it's always up to date with the brand new features. And this kit also comes with a front camera, so that's going to be another video. I did it on another screen similar to this, so I'll post that in the corner so you guys can check that one out. So all in all, I think this is a great screen for anyone who is looking to update their interior of their Model 3 or Model Y. Jam-packed with features, and it looks great with the OEM steering wheel. A lot of these screens don't look great with that steering wheel, but this one looks really cool. You can also add a yoke to get a better field of view. So if you enjoy this screen, head on over to Tes Studio and check out their F96 4K screen for your Tesla Model 3 Y Highland. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it something for you? Like always, be blessed, take care, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.